What's good, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Away with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin finally took off. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly Bitcoin updates. I'm start talking about some other altcoins I am investing in as well as we live stream and live trade every day. The London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. Day trading, while we do Forex, we talk about futures, indices, stocks, we talk about everything trading, investment wise, chart wise, we talk about. And I teach y'all how to read the charts exactly like this. So I tried to tell y'all all these past weekends, I've been trying to tell y'all to get in at this position right here. Again, I've been talking about this since April last month, literally a whole month. I've been talking about this position and how we're about to see a higher high get made. Now, the higher high has not been made yet, but this is the highest we have been since the retracement, as we can see right here when we go into the smaller time frame. We can see here that this was the March month, this was the April 1st month. So now let's go on to the daily time frame, and we can see again March price was at this level, March price was at this level, then April, that's when price retraced and made that red candlestick. And then when the new month began in May, that's what price retraced, respect this level of support again, and then broke all the levels we talked about. And you can see here how price literally reacted to these levels, broke the low tree of support, broke this level, and came right back to our initial higher high, just like we was talking about. So we could also see when we go into the smaller time frames that price was treating these levels from resistance to support, from resistance, broke through it. So it's either going to now retrace back down to 67,800 to see if it can hold that level as support, or it's going to attempt to break 71,700, 71,800, treat that as support, which will give us the higher high. That is what we're looking for this month, and what we're looking for the next month and next quarter, because again, we're at to have the quarter end. Now that we got over the projections, and we, again, if you watch last week's video or all the other videos in the playlist, you can see we've been talking about this happening for over a month now. So I would not recommend entering right now. You could, but there's a chance it could retrace to a couple lower levels where you can get a better position. Again, it needs to break and hold this level as support for the new higher high to come into play. Now, you don't understand how to identify the trend or how uptrends and downtrends work, make sure to pause the video and click the one that just popped up on your top right, top left side of your screen, because it's very important to understand how price moves. Because if you understand how price moves, you're going to be able to make the best position and best decision on your position. You know what I'm saying? You understand how price works, you understand where it's going to retrace at, you can get an ideal position for that retracement, which is what we did right here. We waited for price to retrace, and we took the beautiful setup, right? We literally entered here. I told you how to enter here, and now we see price literally pushed all the way back up. So again, for the uptrend to continue, we need price to break this resistance and treat it as support, because for the uptrend to continue, we need resistance levels to get broken and treat it as support, and vice versa for the downtrend. For the downtrend to continue, we need support levels to be broken and treated as resistance. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're looking at right now. So again, I've had members say they made money off Bitcoin already. They're up on Bitcoin. People are, again, it's called a playbook for a reason. So again, keep an eye on y'all's charts. I'm going to start talking about altcoins as well, because again, there's a lot of coins pushing right now. Like I was talking to the members earlier, and also the people in the London session live earlier today, on one of my altcoins that's not even worth 20 bucks. I'm up 44% on. Total return 44%. You see it on your screen. It's crazy bunch of different ways to make money, man. Also, before we end this, so again, we do not want to see price break past 61,800, 61,700 price range. But if it does, as long as it doesn't break past 47,700, we are still bullish, and I can still see price pushing up. Now, I don't want to see it break past 53,800, 53,900, but it could try to retrace one more time, do a retest, and then break this level. It could happen. So again, if you are up right now, either be willing to accept that, or know where you want to secure profits or take some profits, and then DCA on the way down. Don't know what DCAing is? That's dollar cost averaging. y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description to join a free signal room Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal room services or my mentorship programs also go over all this in the playbook course, how to read the chart and how to use the manipulation and algorithm to your advantage. Because again, there's literal rules and script price has to follow. It's not a coincidence that price time and time again reacted the same way to these levels, and these levels. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those deep. Advanced Play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.